You can't have somebody who's just like started something and say then compete with Smriti Irani.
Another thing that was fascinating was how you were pitted, how you and the show was pitted against Rupali and Anupama. How do you look at competition, Smriti?
I don't, because I've been at TRP number 30. So when somebody gets to number 30 in terms of TRPs, then you can be our competition, right? Now we've been there 25 years ago. If you have had enough capacity to be remembered for 25 years, then we will talk about competition. If you've been a 3-time MP, if you've been a cabinet minister for a decade, if you've been a BJP person for 25, I mean, if you want to compete, you have to be fair to everybody in the so-called competitive sphere to say, do you measure up on all these standards? Then compete. You can't have somebody who's just like started something and say then compete with Smriti Irani. The second issue is that today, is there any show that you can guarantee can come back 25 years later? But Kyuki is that show. So the competition or the reference to such a competition is unfair because you'll never get to 30.
Yeah. And we rightfully
And you'll never
waited-
be consistently number one for 8 years, which we were.
Absolutely.
So
And we waited for it like rightfully. We just
that's what I'm
wanted it
saying.
to
The
come
fact
back.
that we've had competitive mediums come post 25 years, right? So it's not as if I'm acting or conveying a story only on television. I have both. So if I look at the reference numbers on OTT, which is a very hard market to crack, in fact, television has been there, done that. The OTT market itself is so complex. So for a show which is so-called old school to resonate so loudly on OTT, that speaks volumes. And I think the legend that Ekta has created for herself, forget about anything else. She's one of the first television entities that got listed on the stock exchange. So, I mean, am I competing with anybody at the stock exchange? So, I think it's foolhardy.